What's so great about carpet tiles is that in a home it's great for basements. So if your basement ever floods or if the kids spill Kool-Aid on it, you can pull up just a section and repair it yourself. Most of the ones that we sell are glue down. So how it works is you spread the glue in one section and then let it dry. About an hour later, start setting it in the glue. Once you get it done in the glue, then you can spread the rest of the room. Once you got a section of the carpet tiles done, spread the rest of the room. Again, leave, let it dry. You have up to about 12 hours to put it in there, as long as it's not dusty or anything crazy like that going on. But then you have a long time to put it in the glue. And you just sit there and put down as much as you can. So by it being pressure sensitive, you then could take it out if you do spill Kool-Aid on it. If you do have a flood, you can take it all up, dry it out. It's not going to affect the carpet. It's not going to laminate it or anything because most of them are fused into a rubber back or a similar back to that. So it makes it where it's not affected by the water, as long as it's outside water and not your black water.